Once upon a time, the man woke up at 6 a.m. The man came outside the room and drank hot water in the morning. Drinking, the man came in the bathroom and did hand wash, hand wash, bathing, TTK, and came outside the bathroom and pressed the open door automatically. Boy came outside of the house number LG9 and came at the lift area. The man came near the lift area and lift came at LG. The doors opened. Man came inside the lift, pressed the door close button, the doors closed and pressed the ground button. The doors opened at ground floor and the boy came outside the lift. The boy came outside the house, walked through the road and crossed, sat in the car and then went to mall. The car came near the shopping mall. The car went inside and stopped at underground and went to the underground parking. The car came at underground parking entrance area. Then the car came at upper basement quickly. The car ran at slope and came to upper basement and car stopped for the guard and checked the car. Is there any food? Guard said no. And then car came to quickly at middle basement. He parked the car at middle basement at Zone Purple MB098. The man came outside the car and clicked the photo Zone Purple MB098 and came to the lift area quickly and pressed up button to go into the second floor and lift. The boy came at lift area and pressed the up button. The lift doors opened quickly. Boy came inside the lift and pressed second floor button in the lift. The boy came inside the lift and pressed close button and pressed the second floor button. The lift closed quickly. An arrow came symbol up. The lift stopped at second floor. The two button key became white and the doors opened. The arrow turned to downwards and half spin and man came outside the lift. The boy came at the shop. He took some bread and some mayonnaise and put in the trolley and came at the counter and then came at the lift area quickly. The boy came inside the lift. He pressed MB button and pressed close button. The lift door closed and down arrow came. The lift came at MB and up arrow symbol came. The door opened and MB symbol became white and open door closed become green. The boy came outside the lift. The door closed and he went to the parking section MB098. The boy came at MB098 purple zone section blue. The boy started the car and came at the UB exit area. The car quickly came at the exit area at the zone pink section UB140. The car quickly came at the slope and exited underground parking. The car came outside the underground parking and stopped at the guard area. And he took the under parking tickets and exit the mall. The car parked near the home. The boy came outside of the car and entered inside the home at the lift area. The boy came at the lift at the ground floor area and pressed down button. The lift stopped at ground floor. The boy came inside the lift and pressed door hold button and door close button and pressed LG button. The lift departed from ground floor and went down. The boy came inside the lift and pressed LG button and pressed door close button. The lift came down from ground, upper ground and lower ground and 3 levels. The lift came at a lower ground floor and pressed LG but door open button and he came out of the lift. He came at LG9 area and opened the door and and made the burger and ate. The boy came inside the room and made 3 burgers. He ate burgers at 8 p.m. It's 8:30 at the night. The boy ate the burgers and came at the bedroom and slept quietly and nicely.